Hi YouTube. I came to show you another project share. I just finished this project. This project is also for my sister. It's another lady that she worked with, but she didn't have a lot of pictures of this young lady. So she's retiring also. And I just used some K & Company paper, and the stickers, all the stickers were in the paper pad. And so I just cut them out and stuck them on there because I know these are some of the things that she's going to be happy about as she retires. And then I used the curved rectangles from Spellbinders Nestability to do all of the tags inside, and they're just tags so that the people can just write messages and sign their name for the young lady. And then I just used my Crop-A-Dile to poke holes in it and string some ribbon through it. And the trim at the top in the green was white, and I colored it with my Big Market markers. And all of the flowers are just a bunch of flowers that I've gotten over different hauls that I've posted on my channel. And the bling is bling from Hobby Lobby, from one of those big buckets of bling that they had. That's what that's from. So I hope you like the project. Thank you for watching. God bless you, and you have an awesome and an amazing day. And happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there. Be blessed.